Hey guys, it is Wendy Jo and I am here with another tutorial for you. We're going to do a quick video on some Etsy secrets on how to duplicate those bestseller listings for your own shop. And it's super simple, so I'm going to share my screen with you guys and I'm going to show you exactly how to go in for free and figure out what people are doing, what tags they're using to list their items that get them at the top of the selling list. They get that bestseller badge, they get that 20 items in their cart. This is how it's done. Stay tuned. Okay, I get this question a lot, so I wanted to go in and show you guys how you can actually duplicate the bestseller listings on Etsy and get your products seen by using the same tags and types of things that they use. So the first thing we're going to do is just go to the main page and find something that has a bestseller badge like this one and click on it. And I'm going to take you over and show you obviously how they've done it. Now, if you're not selling acrylic art glass with music that plays, then obviously you don't want to duplicate what they are doing here. But this is just a great example because, you know, obviously they do have that bestseller badge on there. And we're just going to scroll down and, you know, they've got nice clear art images, which is great. The first thing you're going to look at is their title. And you also, there's that 20 people in the cart, which means that they have hit the two big markers, the bestseller and the 20 people in the cart. So you can see their title is here. And what I suggest you do is you're just going to copy and you're going to paste that and use that in your title for your listing. Now, obviously you can change up a couple of words, and obviously if you're not selling glass art, you're going to take those words out and replace them with whatever it is that you are selling. But the basic idea here is they're using those keywords in that title and it is getting them seen on Etsy. It's getting them visibility, which is what you want. So the next thing you're going to do is we're going to scroll down here and we're going to look for the description. Hang on, there it is, item details. And you can see they've added some details, which is always good, acrylic and wood and the height and all those types of things. But in the description, you can see they have once again used a lot of those key search terms that are in their title. It says acrylic photo acrylic. It has acrylic photo glass gift. It has gift for your loved one. All kinds of keywords, again, used in that first paragraph so that the SEO is good. Now, the next thing we're going to do, and it's important that you're on a desktop version of Etsy to be able to see this, but we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom. And here are the tags. All those little bubbles there are tags that they have used in the description of their product, or not the description, but actually in the tag box, which there's a place where you can add 13 tags. And then also those explore related categories and searches. Those are also tags that they would have used, or they are the categories that they listed the product in, which could also help you. So those are where all of those keywords are that are bringing them up at the front page on Etsy. It's helping them get that bestseller badge. It's also helping them to get that 20 items in their cart because everybody's seeing it. So now let's search something that maybe falls into more of a simple POD type category, fall t-shirts. Obviously we're at fall t-shirts. You search it and I'm going to look at fall t-shirts for women because it's a little bit more specific, and already right there is a bestseller item. So we're going to click on that. They've used a flat lay, obviously, and if you haven't seen my tutorials on how to do that, it's super simple just to change out the image on that t-shirt to whatever you want it to look like without buying a bunch of them. But it's a bestseller and 20 items in the cart again. So if you're selling a fall t-shirt, then this is good SEO. You're going to take the title that they have, and obviously if you're not using a pumpkin shirt, or if it's not a pumpkin patch, you're going to take out the word patch. But you could use pumpkin patch in your tags at the bottom because it's going to help pull up your item, even though it doesn't actually say, you know, have a patch in it. But you're going to duplicate that title, make it fit your listing, and then we're going to go all the way down here to the bottom. And once again, we're going to see their tags that they've used. They don't have a whole lot in the related categories tag there, pretty simple, but then you can see pumpkin shirt, pumpkin tee, cute fall shirt, fall tee, pumpkin silhouette, Bella canvas, women's graphic tee, and graphic tee. So those are the tags that they're using, and that is how they are being found right here on Etsy. And also whenever Etsy produces ads for their item, that's what helps them get seen on Google. So you can even use these if you're not on Etsy and you're listing on a Shopify store or somewhere else. Another way you can find tags that actually costs money is called Marmalade. It's $19 a month. I did use this for a while, but it gets you a lot more in depth into your searches and shows you exactly what search terms to use, which ones are most searched, which ones are oversaturated. It uses like a green, yellow, red system. So obviously fall t-shirt is probably going to be something that is searched a lot. So it's going to be green, but it's also going to be oversaturated. So you can use that, but then you also want to use something that is searched a lot, but is not used a lot. Therefore, it gives it a lot, it's going to bring your item to the top of the search rather than, being lost with everything else in there. That's really all there is to it. It's not overcomplicated. It's not difficult. It just takes a little bit of research on your part to be able to duplicate what other people are doing that is working and apply it to your own listings. Just be careful in there that you're not using anything that is copyrighted by that person. Obviously the words that were in there are not copyrighted words, but if somebody uses a word like onesie, don't use it. That is a copyrighted word. So even if they're using it, you can get in trouble and your listing can get removed for that. So I hope this helps you guys. You can use it anywhere. Like I said, you can use it not only on Etsy, but you can use it on Shopify or Equid or wherever you have your website set up, and use it in your SEO, in your title there, in your description there, to help you be found on Google, just like the Etsy listings are, because that's the key. Everybody seems to go to Google, and Etsy is a really, really strong marketplace. So they do a lot of advertising on there, and you want to be able to get your stuff seen just like they do. So hope this helps. If you have any questions or anything, just throw them in the comments below. Make sure that you like and subscribe to my channel, and I will be adding lots more content every single week to help you build your business.